Hey Plums, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jaynnifa. So in this video, I'm going to be showing us how to bleach knots on a closure wig, on a closure rather. So this is a 4x4 closure. I'm going to be showing us how to bleach it to make it blend with your skin tone. Alright, so I want you guys to pause, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and join me for more videos. So I'm going to be using this brand of developer. It's a 12% 40 volume developer. So this is what I'm going to be using, and I'll also be using this bleaching powder from olive oil. So these are the basic ingredients I'll be using, and this for mixing bowl. So the first thing I'll do is to pour. I'm not using any measurement. I'm just going to put a little quantity of the bleaching powder into my mixing bowl. Then I'll go in with the developer. There's no depending on the size of the closure or the frontal that you want to bleach. So I'm going to be using little amounts of I'm going to be using little amounts of the developer and the bleaching powder. So if it's not enough, I'll just add more. There is no measurement to it. I'm just going to add little amounts of these two products and mix till it forms like a paste. You know how normal paste close up now. It's going to form that consistency. So you don't really need measurements. As you can see, the content is quite thick, so that's why I added more developer to it. So no, there's no mathematics to this one. So guys, I'll just be mixing them together till the consistency is like this, as you can see. So I'm going to be starting from this point downwards, like some centimeters away from the main hair, from where the hair strand started. I'm trying to go into I will try to get in between those three lines of the pattern. That's the pattern. Then another thing is to comb backwards your hair, so you wouldn't want to get bleach on your hair. The main focus is on that net, just the knots that we are trying to bleach. So I'm going to be applying the next steps rather is applying the bleach on the hair, on your closure, sorry. So I'm going to be doing that backwards, trying to get into every corner of this hair. So you wouldn't want some part to be okay and they to get. So that's what I'm going to be doing. If the content is not enough, please do well to to add more of the bleaching powder and the developer. Like, mix more content and make sure you get every strand under your closure. So depending on the hair that you're working with, you really need to be checking. You could do a test, like collect some strand of the hair and test. I worked with this one hair like that, trying to bleach it in just 2 minutes. Just after I finish applying, like the knots have already started changing, like turning to brown. You get, I had to wash it off immediately because the normal time for a normal closure to bleach is around 25 minutes, but that particular hair that I use it didn't even take 5 minutes. I didn't know what is going on, so it's good to be checking up on your hair. So for this particular hair, I allowed it to bleach or set. I allowed it to set for 25 minutes before I washed it off. So this is 25 minutes later. um the bleach the knots are already bleached. As you can see, as I'm washing it hey, what the the knot is already bleached. The color, as you can see, the color is brown, so that's what it's supposed to look like. So I advise you always check up on your net, on your closure, sorry, to know if it's bleaching already, because some of this hair, they are fake. So you not come and do rubbish with your client's hair. So this is me washing it. I just washed with water from the tap. That's all I used to wash the hair, and it came out really, really nice. You could go ahead with any of your lace tint spray, depending on how your clients or depending on how your skin color is. You could use caramel, brown sugar, and whatnot. So depending on the skin color, that's you should apply that when the closure is dry. So I just allow it to air dry. Please, advice to you: do not use blow dryer on your wet hair. Please don't do that. Just allow it to air dry. Then your closure or your frontal is good to go. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments in the comment section. You can tell me which video I could do next, and thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next one.